if you explore the island of Pag, a stunning destination known for its unique landscapes and beautiful beaches. Take a look at the crown jewel of the island, Chista Beach, often regarded as the best beach the island has to offer. Chista Beach is located on the northern part of Pag, about 5 kilometers from the town of Novalja. The name Chista translates to pure or clean in Croatian, reflecting the beach's crystal clear waters. As you arrive at Chista Beach, you'll be greeted by a wide expanse of golden sand and fine pebbles that meets the clear, turquoise waters of the Adriatic. The gentle waves and shallow entry make it perfect for families with children and anyone looking to enjoy a relaxing day by the sea. Surrounded by untouched landscapes, this beach offers a sense of tranquility and seclusion, away from the hustle and bustle of more crowded spots. Despite its untouched beauty, there is no natural shade available at Chista Beach. However, the beach is well equipped with amenities to ensure a comfortable visit. You can rent sunbeds and umbrellas or even a cabana for shade. And there is a beach bar offering refreshing drinks and local specialties to keep you fueled for a day of sunbathing and swimming. There are 2 inexpensive parking areas available directly behind the beach. If you enjoy snorkeling, the crystal clear waters provide excellent visibility, allowing you to explore the underwater world. However, it's hard to spot any interesting marine life here. Whether you're looking for a relaxing beach day or an adventure, Chista Beach is the perfect destination. Its natural beauty and serene atmosphere make it a must-visit spot on your trip to the island of Pag. Subscribe to know more about Croatia.